Hey, what's happening, YouTube? Today we got here M12 Fuel, the Impact Gen 3 unboxing. So this is just going to be a first impression. Basically how it came. Nice bag. There she is. Came with a charger. I bought just the Impact. One CP, let's see, the CP 2.0 battery. She's in there good. Solid case, nice. This is the fuel version. If you're buying Milwaukee tools, you want to be getting fuel. You know, unless you're getting it for a really good price, I wouldn't bother getting anything but fuel. We got the tri-lights. That's big. This one's got different speeds. We got one for zip screws. Screams. Got first. That's good. Second's good. Second's real good. And 3 screams. Yeah, she looks good. Let me just grab my DeWalt and I'll show you a small comparison. So just a quick rundown. The reason, I'm not going to do a full review yet comparing the two, but the reason I bought this is because this was not cutting it for plumbing. It's just too bulky. It's too top heavy. You know, you can see. Let's see. Let's do that. The wideness. See, I'm gonna remove this clip. I already know I'm gonna remove this clip right away. I'm not gonna mess around with that at all. But if we go side to side, it's almost like a ½ inch. It's almost a ½ inch of width, full finger. You know, I bought this because I thought, you know, I wanted the shortness, but the width is too much. It's not worth it. So we can see the length. Something like that. About an inch. So it will get into some tighter places. This is just the first initial impressions. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be in love with this tool or if it's just going to be okay. You know, good, great, or awesome. I'll have to give a review after, you know, using it for a while. First impression, the grip is alright. I'll have to get used to that a little bit. The M12 grip is kind of bulky at the bottom, and then you know, you hold on to it basically right there. She screams. She should have plenty of power. I have some other batteries I can throw on this for some more amp hours. It does stand. I wouldn't stand it with this. This is probably going to go right in the tool bag. You know, right in the handbag. That way I can go right into the job. I'll have a drill with me and a small drill bit kit ready to go at all times. I do like the color of these LEDs. You know, the LEDs is definitely a better color. So I will be doing a comparison in the future. And I'll go over the pros and cons of each. Obviously the grip of the DeWalt is better. But look at, you know, fitting this whole thing into tight areas versus this. It's so streamlined. If you get the M12, you want something compact. That's what you're going for. I mean, obviously if they had this a little more, that would be where it's at. But Milwaukee does this right. I think they give you enough distance here where you're not going to smash your finger. With this one, I have smashed my finger several times. But I'm looking forward to trying this out, seeing how I like it, seeing how it works in the tool bag, to implement it into my system. I'm slowly switching over to Milwaukee. They offer specialty tools that's hard to beat once you start getting into the system. So there'll be a follow-up on this to let you know how I like it in the future. But I think it's going to be great. All right. Peace.